So this weekend I decided to take some time off from my normal video schedule. It's been a while since I've released a Gag and Blooper video, so here's a couple that I found. So I'm down at the local pub with a couple of mates, and for some reason it seems to be really packed. I don't know why. Do you know why it's packed? Simon?
Simon?
This is someone I met. Simon, I think is your name, isn't it?
Yeah. No, I don't know.
Well,
it's a good day, maybe that's why. Look, most of these people, I mean, we're a little bit of a crowd here. Yeah. People. But there's also other people who aren't here for shitty robots.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Have you watched any of those? There's some sort of channel around that's based on shitty robots. I don't know what it is.
I find her quite annoying. Like,
really?
The joke is over.
Yeah, it's a bit of a weird channel, right?
Yeah,
it's a weird channel.
You can only beat a dead horse for so long. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll never find out why this pub is so packed.
Amigos, ¿os puedo ayudar?
¿Tienes pan de molde?
Sí.
Ponme una rebanada tostada sin nada, por favor.
¿No quieres mantequilla o mermelada en esa rebanada?
No, señor, sin nada.
¿Tienes pollo frito? El mejor en todo este estado. Pues ponme 4 pollos fritos enteros y una Coca-Cola. ¿No quieres alas de pollo o muslo de pollo? Quiero 4 pollos fritos enteros y una Coca-Cola.
Y esa rebanada tostada seca, por favor.
¿Quieres tú algo de beber?
Nada, señor.
Una Coca-Cola. Ahora mismo, señores.
Now, I was originally going to publish this video on Star Wars Day, but unfortunately I had a fair amount of contract work this week. Shame really, because I had lined up a really expensive JLPCB advert.
So, Lord Vader, yes, may the Force be with you. What, do you have some sort of lisp or something?
Mick, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Well, he's making me do this stupid thing over and over again. I can't do it.
Hi, this week's mailbag is a little different. Actually, what am I saying? This whole channel is different. Hey Dad, what's up? Well, I'm trying to think of a good advert for my sponsor, but I'm really stuck.
What's your sponsor?
JLC PCB.
So what have you got so far?
Well, you know my chips gag.
I do indeed.
I was going to ride in on a Harley, looking really cool, and say...
Wait a second, what's a Harley got to do with PCBs?
Well...
How about this? Okay, you have a shot of the kitchen. Mum's in there wondering why one of her plants is dying, and says, "Oh gosh darn, why is my plant dying? I wish I had some electronics to save the day." Then you appear, wearing a green superhero costume with a JLC PCB logo on it, and say, "What seems to be the problem, citizen?" And Mum says, "Oh, JLC PCB man, you're my superhero."
You're kidding me. You want me to wear a green superhero suit, and I'm called JLC PCB man.
Well, I'm fresh out of ideas.
Yeah, well, thanks. When you're working around in the ceiling, you've got to be really careful where you step. If you step in the wrong spot, you can accidentally slip and something like this happens. Fuck.
I don't really have any ideas after that.
You know, J-Man needs a sidekick. How about this? J-Man and Cap are down at the docks having an intense battle.
Yeah.
It's looking like J-Man may have just met his match.
Yeah.
And just as J-Man is about to lose, Whiffy Boy turns up.
Whiffy Boy?
Yeah, you know, J-Man's sidekick.
So what's his superpower?
Well, he has the power of wireless transmission.
Don't you mean Wi-Fi?
No, Whiffy.
Oh, hey. Hey, J-Man.
Then J-Man says,
Thanks, Whiffy Boy. Help me take Cap to justice.
Then Whiffy Boy says,
Sure thing, J-Man.
And then throws one of his Whiffy meters at Cap, but it has no effect on him.
So let me guess, he then throws a Whiffy sock at him, which knocks him out cold.
A sock? What do you mean a sock?
Well, he is Whiffy Boy. He must have a sock that's Whiffy. I mean, otherwise why would he be called Whiffy Boy? You're my superhero! Oh, JLC Yeah.
Can't laugh.
No, that's gonna be so difficult. No, you should go like this. What's the matter, darling?
What's the matter, darling?
No, you need to put your hand on my shoulder and go, what's the matter, darling? Please. Please tell me you were recording that.
I was.
So how was your day?
Well, JLC PCB, man. Oh, Dad, where'd you go? Sorry, JLC PCB, man! Oh. Oh, my stars!
Oh, JLC
Oh, Dad.
JLC PCB, man.
What? JLC PCB, man! JLC PCB, man! JLC PCB, man!
Don't poke yourself in the eye.
Oh, my stars! You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Do it now. Okay? Now, thanks for watching and see you next week. Ho, 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 ho.
I see Wiffies.